Welcome back, guys. I'm back to Zoho campaigns, and this time around, I want to look at the forms. Sign up a form, like making a form from Zoho campaigns. We were able to make forms from Google Forms, and you can do that same thing. You can collect data with Zoho campaigns as well, and that's what I'll be showing you in this very video. And back to my Zoho campaigns, I will look for where the sign up form is. You can click on this plus button you're seeing right here. So I'm going to click on this, and when I click on this, you see something like sign up form. This is what I need right here. So I'll click on sign up form to see what it's all about. And this sign up form, it starts from here where you're going to give it a name. So I can say, let's say Udemy students data. So I have this as a name. I'm going to check that, and I'm going to have the form. You have to choose a template, and let's choose a template for the form. So we're going to choose a template. There are a lot of templates you can choose from, and here we have this compact form, banner form, long forms, and save templates. But you can check for any of these templates and choose one that you will use for like your data collection. And here we have a whole lot, like it depends on what you want to do. So we can choose one of these. As you can see, there are a lot of like templates, but I have to just choose one to practicalize what a sign up form is actually. And I'll take one very simple one. I think I'll just go with this. I'll use this particular template, and all I have to do is to click on it and say use, and here's the template. As you can see, this is the form right here, and the form is looking good. As you can see the design, and you can see a setup page here, and design here, it said map feed, first name and last name, and you say first name or last name. So design, let me come back to the design of the form. Here you have the page body which is this, and you can change that if you want to, but I won't be changing that because I love this. Then we have all this. So that's the body, that's the body of the form. Then we come to the text. The text says begin now. That's the first thing you see here, and I'll say get a free coupon from beloved Adejegbe. Yeah, we have something like this. This will be the first thing you see, and you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can change the font color. Or if you don't want it black, you can change to something like blue, and it's going to change to that. Then you can change the font family to whatever you want to change to. That's just a design, like you designing this form, and that's the test part, the first test part. Then we have the input feed, and we have this another test, which is this, which is it is easy to get started, it's free. So you can click here and say learn graphic design, web design, and email marketing for free. So we can just leave this at this, and yeah, we have the tests that you can change the colors like I did the other time. You can explore that. Then we have the input field, which is the name, this right here. We have the input field, which is email address, this right here. Then the button, which is the sign up, this right here. You can change the color of the button. Maybe you don't like this color, you can change to like red, and it's going to carry red, and it looks so distinct. Then we have that, and we are going to set up this is a sign up form. Then we're going to set this up, maybe the name field, you can click on it and it says first name. Yeah, first name, and we're going to come back to the design. Then this is just a template. You can do this, and you can create a template from scratch. That's all about like sign up form. Then we're going to save and proceed to see how it goes. Then we have something like this, and says associating mailing list not configured. You can choose some set of mailing lists that you want to, maybe let's say my sample list, and you associate it to the form. So we have this, and my sample is associated to the form. Then the response, customize the pages and emails to be sent in response to the form submission, but want to edit the responses. So we have the response, and we're going to have that edited. The sign up submission, and you can edit the details of the sign up submission. Then you see the message here. You can edit this particular message and edit the page, like as you can see here. You can edit this and edit this and edit this. So that's how to edit the response you give after the submission of this form. All you have to do is that you've done that, you've created a sign up form, then you launch your sign up form. It's as simple as that. You can do more, you can practice more, you can explore more in this sign up form and try to create different types of sign up form. All you have to do is to copy this link. Once you copy this link, anyone can sign up and you get the response here. You just copy the link and paste it in your browser and see what it's going to bring. Then on this is the page now, this is the form we just designed, and people, you can input your email address and input every other thing. Let's say Williams Beloved one at gmail.com. Then I'll click on sign up. Having to sign up, it's going to send the details, like you can see. Come to the contact and see sign up form. Yeah, this is where you have to come to. You come to sign up form, then you check this. You're going to check edit response. You can see that, you can check the report of the form. Checking the report of the form, you see that form views and submission, one submission. So you can check the submission and we'll see what we just did right now. The submission is right here, Williams Beloved one, beloved, which is what we requested for in the form. You can create a customized form and do more exploration and decide to collect like this. You can collect contacts, collect names, collect a lot of details with these Zoho campaigns. I hope to see you in my next video where we get to talk more about this email marketing course. I hope to see you there. See you there.